Super cool new fonts downloaded safely and for free from the internet. If you're using it just for personal use, you're not selling it, you can go to dafont.com, dafont.com, and you can find what you're looking for. Let's say Christmas is coming up. Christmas is spelled like that. I hit enter in the search function, and there are probably a lot to choose from. Some of them are image fonts like this, other ones got Christmabet. Ooh, I don't actually like this one particularly much because it doesn't say any words, but I might save that just because I like some of those images. I might want to steal some ideas. You can scroll down as much as you want. Christmas Snow looks good. I'm going to download that one. Christmas Tree, not my style. Merry Christmas, definitely. I probably have that already. And Hello Christmas, love that as well. Now I make a lot of stuff in Command Tab on a Mac to get me back to the Finder. Go to Downloads. It's not there, so I go to the bottom, bring it up. Downloads. Yeah, I make a lot of things in Keynote in terms of images, even for like making videos and things. So keep in mind, if you're in, say, Keynote and you want to have a great new font, you need to get out of it. You need to close that program, that application entirely and install it. Otherwise, it won't present. So Christmas Snow comes in a zip file, double tap it. Here it is, TTF, tap tap. It opens up, go to install font. One of two things will happen. One is this, and it didn't install, and I go back and try it again. And number two, install font, it looks like this. That's the one we want. It does look a little flashy, it looks a little scary perhaps, but I've been using this for years and it's never had a detrimental impact on my Macs. So, install the checked, that should be good. And that's how you do one of them. So now let's open up a Keynote and see if it had worked. That one, be careful what they're called too, Christmas Snow. Sometimes they have a different name when you've downloaded them. So it is Christmas Snow, go to Keynote. Alright, go to Style, Text, Format Text. Alright, take me down to Christmas Snow. And it looks like that, wonderful. Command plus, make it bigger. Thing of beauty. It's got a little blue line under it right now, but if I were to, there we go. Hello, can you change the colors on it? Nice Christmassy red. Indeed you can, fantastic. Okay, that is how it's done.
The world is a
remix.
Sent to Jane. Secret Destroyer. The world is a
remix.